I'm using my little rigid sander to take the varnish off that's already starting to come off. It has a dust bag, poked holes in this, 100 grit sandpaper so the dust will go into the bag. Start out on the piece, put on your dust mask. You certainly don't want to be breathing in the particles from sanding. Start it on your piece. Looks like it's doing well. When you start getting buildup on your sandpaper, change it out. After working on this for a little bit, I sanded it for a little while and then just took the scraper to it. Notice that the varnish was just chipping right off. So it looks like we need to change our plan to stripping rather than sanding and scraping. We're out in the garage with the table and our soy gel by Blue Bear. Basically all you do is brush it on, let it sit for a little bit, and then scrape it off. So we'll go ahead and pour some on there. Move it around, let it do its job. I'm just going to do a section at a time. It starts working right away. We'll let it sit for a little bit and then we'll scrape it off. I covered this up with plastic to give it a little bit of time to work and so it wouldn't dry out. I was in the house just long enough to eat a bowl of peas and fill my dishwasher. So let's check it out and see if it's working. Got my scraper and a little plate to scrape it into. Oh, looky there. Oh yeah. Check it out. Oh yeah, nice job. It's coming off. Just gonna scrape it off. And when you're done, clean it off with water, and I'll use a little scrubby to get it off in the little spots and to get the rest of it off, and then you wipe it off afterwards and then use mineral spirits to make sure that all of it has come off. Yeah, it's doing great. The little green scrubbies work great for these little spots right here too that are contoured and detailed. I'll use that to get that off. Okay. Much better than having to sand it off. And if you have, if you have trouble getting it off in the first time, you can just redo it with the soy gel. I'll finish this up and then give you a look.